Now the cloud has moved away. Beautiful light. It's back again. It's back again. Oh. This. Oh, really nice. Really nice. So much activity. I'm happy, I'm happy. I am sitting here in my kitchen to preparing for tomorrow morning. Finally, the weather forecast is telling me that it's going to be sun and almost no wind tomorrow. And that is perfect for waterfowl photography. If I'm lucky, I'm going to get the great crested grebe close and with that beautiful morning light and calm water. That is the hope though. So yeah, just thought I'd going to take you with me in the preparation for tomorrow because I have 2 lenses with me tomorrow. Stavanger Photo lend me this 800 to 400 with converter built inside. And also I'm going to have the 500mm with the new teleconverter 1.4 version 3. So with this and the D500 I'm going to get 1050mm and with this I'm going to get around 800 or something with the D500. And I'm going to test that out and see how that will be in the sharpness and everything with the teleconverter on. I haven't used that lens before. But the good thing about that is you get that zoom. If the bird suddenly decide to come really close, I am able to like pull back and zoom out. Yeah, so this is my setup. What I'm going to do tomorrow morning is that I'm going to have my my D500 with the 180 to 400mm at the start, and yeah, just test that out. I'm going to have this like ready to go on the side when I'm laying down and waiting for the grebe, so I'm able to change that if I needed to get a little bit more range out in the water. But yeah, I will see you tomorrow morning. I found a spot there. Good morning. Now I am at the pond. It's really calm water and beautiful. A little bit cloudy, more cloudier than I thought, but still really beautiful. I haven't seen the grebe yet, so I'm still waiting for that. I see some coots right in front of me. I'm laying here with my D500 and 180 to 400 with the built-in teleconverter. So we'll start out with that and see in case the grebe are further out, I'm changing to the 500 with the 1.4 converter. But for now, I'm sticking with this 180 to 400. looks like the creep is starting to fish a little bit further out, but coming towards me. So hopefully we'll come closer and fish in this area here. I can get some portraits. Was amazing. The great crested creek just fished like 10 to 15 meters. Now I have changed to the 500 in case it comes back. I want to go a little bit further in, but yeah, still this was really nice. There's a mallard just right before me. Let me see. Now the cloud has moved away. Beautiful light. I'm using this ghillie blanket here as a cover, and that really works well. I think actually this works better than the other camouflage blanket that I used to use. This works better because of this long hair sticking out, and that looks like a pile of grass. So extremely useful, this ghillie blanket from Dragoban. The spring is my favorite time of year, when everything comes alive. It's so nice. I can see the golden line now. 2 males. Goldeneye is such a beautiful duck. The good thing about the grebe and the goldeneye as well is they are diving ducks. So what you can do is to see when they dive down. You can also see on the water surface where they approximately going to come up because of the bubbles that they are blowing out when they are underwater, and therefore you can like be prepared and position yourself around that area, so when they come up you don't have to like move your lens too much, and then likely they are more relaxed and not like scared of the fast movements you have to do with the lens. So that is a really good tricks to see where they are likely to come up because of the bubbles. It's coming. It's back again, it's back again. Oh. Now the light is starting to getting really good again. Can you hear the creep? That is a good sound, really good. Really nice. So much activity.